In this part, I would like to explain an example of design research. The titles of this research project is Designing Location-Based Learning Experience for People with Intellectual Disabilities and Additional Sensory Impairments. These articles was taken from Elsevier, and let me read the abstract of the research so that you can get a glimpse of idea of what this research is about. Okay, the research reported here is a part of a larger project which seeks to combine serious games or game-based learning with location-based services to help people with intellectual disabilities and additional sensory impairments to develop work-based skills. So the target group of users is this: disabilities and sensory impairments users. And their intention is to let these users able to develop a work-based skills, meaning that to travel and to follow a route to their workplace and then come back from their workplace. Specifically, this paper reports on where these approaches are combined to scaffold the learning of a new routes and ultimately independent travel to new work and educational opportunities. A phase development methodology is applied in a user-sensitive manner to ensure that user feedback drives the ongoing development process. So in this case, the terms used is development methodology, which means design research methodology. Sometimes design research can be called as developmental methodology. Methods to structure this include group feedback on conceptual storyboards, expert review of prototypes using usability heuristics relating to the main system goals, and finally co-discovery methods with student pairs exploring all three modes of the system in real-world context. So notice that the researchers collected feedback and the cycles iterations are explained here. Okay, there are many cycles of doing the research design, of doing the works in order to improve the design of the location-based learning experience. Aspects of developmental and cognitive psychological theories are also reviewed, and it is suggested that combining game-based learning approaches with location-based services is an appropriate combination of technology for an application specifically designed to scaffold rote learning for this target audience. So this is one of the explanation of the theoretical ground, which is the cognitive psychology theories is reviewed. Okay, are reviewed in order to support the learning parts, okay, of identifying the routes and also for them to travel independently for this target audience. Let's take a look at the overall of the layout of this paper. Okay, sorry. So this paper involved in an introduction. It has a layout of introduction, and then user-sensitive inclusive design is one of the design approach, okay, to incorporate users' feedback into every stages of the design approaches. And in terms of analysis phase and iterative design with users, these are the details: user scope design requirements, further design requirements, first and second design with user feedback. So users' feedback has been collected in quite a few stages or phases, and it is quite detailed. And on the phase implementations, okay, of the design or of the system, which involve the main menu of the system, okay, and the plan mode, practice and use modes. Let's take a look on the sample of the artifacts itself. Okay, sample of the artifacts itself. So this is a root mat, and in fact this project reported how this application is designed to help the targeted audience, okay, to identify route and also become an independent traveler. So this base implementation explain about these applications. User-based evaluations, which involve also expert review, user review, okay, with the detailed elaborations in the next stages, okay, user-based evaluations. And of course, these articles ends by having a conclusion and also references.